I love going to gym, but I hate I have to go to the gym and do it. I've realized that having a active lifestyle is so important.
You can 110% have dream physique and aesthetic goals. You just don't have to hate yourself in that sport. People who are like, I don't have an appetite. I'm like, it's not a good sign. You should be a little concerned. You should have an appetite.
Make out a plan.
Yeah.
What are the meals, 5 or 6 meals you enjoy?
Yeah, that works.
Do it for 2 weeks and then switch it up. If you're struggling to do your meal prep or struggling to get into a habit or routine where you can start eating clean, just put a prompt into ChatGPT. Tell your body weight, tell your thing, tell your lifestyle, tell it every detail.
Yeah.
It will basically give you a rundown.
Spot reduction is not real, so you can't spot reduce. So the key is overall एक calorie deficit में रहना. Drop the all in or nothing mindset. कि या तो करेंगे तो सब ठीक से करेंगे वरना छोड़ना कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं.
My grocery run now does not include snack aisle. I just skip snack aisle altogether. I'm like not
What do you
going there.
snack on?
Nothing. I do not snack on. That's my thing.
Good. The best hack I really want to give out to get into shape that requires no equipment, nothing, zero commitment, no gym fees.
Hey, I love it.
Why is nobody talking about it? Hi guys, this is Garish
And this is Sim. And
welcome to another episode of GG Unplugged, where yapping never ends.
And
Today, after I don't know, shit ton of hiccups, let's go with that.
not shit ton of hiccups.
With
We
a
were
stupid
recording a whole
videographer.
episode. We were just yapping for 25
minutes straight.
And then we were like, he's like, oh, रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है.
एक मिनट ये कैमरा जरा ऑफ लग रहा है मैं देखूं जरा. ही इज लाइक ऑडियो तो रिकॉर्ड हुआ. मैं कहा वीडियो babe what about video?
So अब हम दोबारा से कर रहे हैं.
So guys, second take on the same effing episode. Here we go.
Here we go. So let's do a quick weekly recap.
Yeah.
And then we shall move on to our episode. How
Yes,
was your
please.
week?
You tell me how was yours? What's new and exciting? What's new and exciting?
Okay, I'm just gonna repeat the things that I honestly because it actually kind of seem fake right now.
Right.
हम repeat कर रहे हैं, but just for your
जब पहले
sake.
बात करी तो बहुत real था
बहुत
guys. It
real
was like,
था.
oh, this is new, this is fun, this is exciting, but
Yeah. Okay, for the starters, we are doing an episode outdoors.
yes, please.
Let us know if you guys like more outdoor setup. And shout out to Waterworks Food
Yeah.
Hall if this reel reaches them or this cut reaches them.
Yeah. Or if you happen to visit Waterworks, it's actually a really good food hall. There are a bunch of different options. It is not sponsored, but
Yeah,
it
we're
is
just-
location courtesy
It
today.
is very pretty. It's very aesthetic.
It is
They
very
have a lot of
beautiful.
locations you can sit, eat,
Yeah.
chill, do whatever you work, and even work actually. It's a very good
It's
workable
very,
place.
Like work from cafe situation,
Cafe.
beautiful.
It's
The patio
beautiful.
in here, like where we are at the
Yeah,
moment.
there's one on the other side as well. So it's a
Oh,
beautiful place. So if you haven't, if you don't know about this place, you're missing
You
out.
should check it out.
Check it out. Yeah. So moving on to how our week was. Mine was hectic. I am operating on my last brain cells and last body cells right now. And on top of that, I'm PMSing. So I am the deadliest
Not to
I
be messed
can be
with.
today.
Not to be messed with.
I am really, you should not mess with me today.
And funny enough, everybody is messing with her today.
I know. For some reason, everything is testing my patience
Yeah, I
today.
can see that.
I'm always bubbly, chubbly, and okay,
I
I'll
know.
figure it out the things. I don't
Yeah.
get impatient that fast.
I know.
Today I'm like, do not test me.
Today we have switched personas. Do you get it? Because I'm like, I need to be the chill one. Sab ho jayega because someone is not having it today, and I get it.
I'm not having it from the
That's a
quite few days. I'm not having it.
Oh my God.
Also, I'm moving next month, and
that
all of a
too.
sudden,
not happening.
it's everywhere. Like you have to go see viewings
I know.
all over the place.
House
And
hunting is
it
a
is-
nightmare.
It is just taking a toll on my health, my mental space a lot because I'm like, I just need to get a room that I really like, and then
How's the
I
house hunting going? Like, have you found something? Have you shortlisted
guys.
some? Do you
I
have
don't
like,
know.
people you're moving in with, like
No, no,
roommates?
no.
Akele
No,
move rahe?
The moving situation in Toronto sucks. I will tell you why.
Yeah.
Let me quick a quick rant.
Go for it.
Okay. So I'm looking for some place in downtown. So as usual, I go on FB Marketplace to look for some houses, and they're so pretty. But when you go visit the place in person, I'm like, First of all, it's clicked with 0.5 lens. It's like
Yes,
so big
always.
lens.
Yes.
I'm like, big. And then
मैच बॉक्स साइज के रूम्स होते हैं जो 0.5 और पता नहीं कौन से एंगल से दे मेक इट लुक स्पेशियस.
so big. And then second of all, they put pictures before other persons like have moved in, so it looks
Yes.
cleaner.
Yes.
So I'm like, I am a clean freak. Like I keep my room tip
Fair.
top. That's how I operate. So I need a space which is clean and which is easy to maintain. I don't want to like spend my day cleaning. So then I have gone for how many viewings? 8.
Jeez.
8 viewings. None of them I like. Some were way too small with a huge ass bed, dirty. People have not maintained it, or the landlord is like, these are the rules. You can't have anybody over. You can't this. You can't cook after 10 p.m. Like, what if I'm coming home at 12 a.m.? Like,
Yeah.
I am hungry, bro. I
I
want to
gotta eat.
cook.
Yeah.
So, we also went to coffee party, guys, last
we
week.
did. For the love of coffee and for the love of Sim, I accompanied her. But may I be utterly honest? Not my vibe.
We were you guys remember the reel that went viral on her
Yeah.
Instagram, and I was telling her there's a coffee party,
like, that'd be
and she was
insane.
like, "Oh, we should go this and that," and then now she's like,
Not my vibe.
"It's your vibe, Sim." Like,
Which is okay. I was so happy to see her so like इतनी खुश थी ना लड़की. I was so happy to see her that I'm like तू enjoy कर. मैं नहीं कर रही, which is also okay because I'm like this is not my vibe and I'm not gonna pretend. I never do. तो वही था, मैं ठीक है but तू खुश थी तो बढ़िया.
I don't know. I just had some coffee music, and I'm like, I'm vibing this and
This
that.
girl
and
was
then,
vibing. We went to arcade and bar after that, and that I loved.
That was her vibe.
Arcade was my vibe. I think I'm a very low key chill. But then yeah, I don't have a type honestly. But I love
Figuring
definitely-
out 20s.
figuring out 20s. I'm like मैं low key chill girly हूँ क्या? या मुझे fancy चीजें पसंद है? God knows. So with this insane lifestyle where we are, you know, running around GTA and just on our feet all the time, it is very easy for our health to take a back seat, and it often does, to be very honest. जब पता नहीं होता कि सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के नाम पे सिर्फ कॉफी पीनी है और लंच देखी जाएगी कहाँ होगा.
Anything McD on the go as a lunch.
Yeah.
Dinner का कुछ पता नहीं है. Going for parties, going for night outs, which is fine. This is what you have to live in your 20s.
In your youth, yeah,
But
correct.
Being two women who are living alone, or being humans or who have a chance to live alone,
Yeah.
we have realized a lot of things that we want to share with you guys.
Yeah.
That we think is really
It's
important.
really important because हम ना इतनी अपनी भागदौड़ वाली लाइफ में हमारी चलो फिर भी it's not such a sedentary lifestyle. Do you get it? Like we don't have the classic 9 to 5s where we are sitting just on a desk
Yeah.
and doing desk jobs. Even though our very lifestyles are relatively active, we walk a shit ton and that kind of stuff. फिर भी ना यार अपने लिए और अपनी health और fitness के लिए नहीं time मिलता.
Also, I was
Yeah.
talking to somebody. They were like, having a 9 to 5 puts a discipline and a routine in you, which is a good side of having a 9 to 5, because you wake up every day,
Yeah.
you go to
You have a
your
set
job,
routine.
you have a set routine, and then after some time, it's just your default setting.
Yes.
But with somebody who does not have that routine,
Yeah.
what is something that you can do to have a disciplined routine? And this is a trial and error thing.
Yeah.
You have to
it's
try.
different for everybody.
You have to try a
Yeah.
lot of things during your months or days to figure
Yeah.
out what works
What
for
works
you.
for you,
For
yeah.
example, I am not a morning person. She's a morning,
morning person for sure.
She loves going to the gym in the morning.
First
I
thing
just
in the
make
morning, yeah.
excuses in the morning, and then I do my run, walk, whatever that
But then
is.
she does it in the day, so that's valid again. As
That
far
I
as you're
figured it
including some movement through the day,
Through the day.
honestly, you're sorted.
You're sorted. I figured
It
it out.
doesn't
Like
have to
I hate, like, I love going to gym, but I hate, like, I have to go to the gym and do it. Like, you know, if you can understand.
I totally get
Like, I love gym. I love when I
वो
go.
जाने
and I
में
do.
जो मौत आती
Like जो जाने में होता है ना, shit. Like जाना
I get it.
पड़ेगा. Like I have to do it.
I get
I was
it.
reading a book. I'm still reading a book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant.
Yeah.
There's a very beautiful line written in that. Always choose shorter pains,
Yeah.
which gives you longer gains.
Yeah.
And I'm like, wow. कहता कि, so that book explained like you why are you going to gym and you're taking that pain so that you
Yeah.
can have a healthy lifestyle body
Yeah.
in the future.
Yeah.
But if you choose the other way around, you'll have a longer pain,
Yeah.
but shorter
know.
happiness or gain.
That it's like 5 minutes of dopamine, that that really tasty fried food, that dessert. It's 5 minutes of dopamine. But if you go around chasing real dopamine, always after. I have never, चाहे वो जितना unhealthy इंसान हो, after a good workout, your body
Yes,
releases
yes.
feel good hormones.
It
You
does.
do feel good after a workout for a fact. And that is something, it brings your cortisol levels down. It's overall good for your health. Start करना मुश्किल होता है.
It is.
I read somewhere like the heaviest weight you're gonna push in the gym is the door.
Yeah.
So, but once you're in there, मेरे साथ तुम मानेगी नहीं, मुझे सब लोग देख के मेरे को लोग कहते हैं तू जिम में ही रहती है. I'm like bro, मेरे को कितने दिन होते हैं मौत आ रही होती है जिम जाने में. But
it's
funny
so-
enough, once I do, सब ठीक हो जाता है.
I know.
sets
It's just
the
like
tone
you
of
just
my
have
day.
to go. So what I've hacked my brain
I
is doing is I just think to myself that I'll go take a quick 30 minutes incline treadmill walk or
Yeah.
the stairmaster,
Yeah.
and then I'll come back. But the moment you enter gym, you do 15 minutes of treadmill, you're like
Yeah.
hi gaya, like I am here, so let's just
Let's
do a
strength
proper
train and
workout routine and then
everything
go.
and yeah.
And that's how I hack my brain.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go just 15 minutes, quick workout, and I'll be out. And then I'm like, okay. And also, you don't have to go to gym every day. I think that's
Yeah,
so
yeah.
stupid to say you should go to gym every day. I'm like, shut up.
You don't have to.
Figure out what works for you.
What
for
intensity
me,
works for you? Yeah.
everyday gym doesn't work because I have
Fair.
such a tight schedule
Yeah.
that if I'm going to gym at 8 p.m. and I don't know if I have a meeting at 10 p.m. or somebody calls me like I'm in the gym, whatever that is, I have that schedule. So I can't fit
okay.
a proper routine. I
Yeah,
try to. So then what I figure out, I'll go gym three times a week, and then I'll do my walking run, and that's enough.
That's
like
more enough
it's
because-
working.
Yeah, especially with weights, like scientifically, if you're training 3 times a week, you're good.
Good.
You're like that is enough for like muscle growth
Muscle.
and that kind of stuff.
And that's it. And then
you don't have to be 6 days, 7 days in the gym. Your body needs recovery first of all. तो अगर
Yeah.
तुम अपने आप को ये मेरे को भी मेरे trainer ने because बीच में ना I had like some insane weeks where I trained just like 2 to 3 days a week, and because I was like I'm not giving my body rest, I'm in constant fatigue, which is not good either. तुम again crazy exertion is also not good for
It's
the
not
body.
good.
So बिल्कुल फायदा नहीं हो रहा उस exercise का. You're rather just fatiguing yourself. So take a break if you need to. Train twice, thrice, 4 times, whatever your schedule and lifestyle allows.
also,
Yeah.
okay, I want to put it out there. 80% is your nutrition, what you're eating,
Yeah.
and 20% is what you're doing. Doesn't have to be gym. You can just go on, do your walks, go on for a quick run, go whatever you do for moving your body.
Yeah.
That's it. Just move your body and do anything that you want to.
You have to pick a form of mobility or exercise or activity that you enjoy is the only way you're going to stick to it.
Yes.
It could even be playing badminton,
Yes.
playing cricket, like having a sport. First of all,
Sign
playing
up
a
for
sport,
classes.
yeah, is so good and
So
fun.
good, right?
I really want to do pickleball. Again, my routine is not allowing. Or
Me too.
swimming. Like either I really want to either pick a sport or swimming this summer, but I just don't have again fixed hours.
to do that.
to do
I was
that.
thinking like I'll sign up for classes like
I
once a
really
week
want
for
to.
swimming or like some activity so that I can go
really
like on
want to.
weekends and like de-stress myself.
Yeah.
That's what
Have
I want.
fun.
So I will look forward to that. This is also I was not this active person.
Oh, me
pehle.
never.
And
in my
now
life.
I've realized that being active, having a active lifestyle is so important.
Yeah.
Like moving your body is so important. And now myself personally, I get attracted to a lot of people who are
Oh yeah.
who have active lifestyle.
Active, and I am really attracted to people who are active, outdoorsy, wants to like hikes and that kind of stuff,
Yeah.
like fun stuff. Honestly, because I have been a homeboard for as long as I can remember. I was really the person कि Sunday है घर पे रहते chill करते movie देखते, which I also do at times. But you know, I
Yeah.
am so much more of like चलते हैं कुछ
Move your
करते हैं,
body,
like
yeah.
move your body. Let's do something more outdoorsy
Yeah.
as compared to that, and it's so much more fun.
It is. And
You
you know,
feel
you
energized
can
too.
feel the difference. So,
Yeah.
okay, whenever you go out the next time, and if you're listening to this or hearing or watching this episode, whatever it is, next time when you go out, observe your friend circle. Observe the people you hang around. The people who have more active lifestyle, they will be more sorted, more calmer, more happier, and less irritated. Versus the people who just have like a fucked up lifestyle routine. There's no activity, there's only partying, this and that.
Yeah.
Whatever their lifestyle is, out like ordering from outside a lot.
It reflects.
It reflects.
It reflects.
And I did that intentionally last month. whoever I went out with, I just observed. That was an assignment to myself. That I want to see how it is as a person being an active
affects, yeah.
person and not an active person. And the difference is huge. When you sit and think,
Yeah.
it's huge.
Interesting.
It is huge. Like the difference is the people who have active lifestyle, they're up for anything. They were like, ये करना है, चलो. ये करना है, चलो.
And why, honestly, why I've taken health and fitness so seriously? Because I want to be that person. I want to keep being that person. I don't want to age into somebody like, you know, मैं थक गई, मेरी health नहीं
Yeah.
allow कर रही. Like if you want, because I've been that person. I've been that person where my friends, when I was in my early 20s, like I am the one जिसकी चलते चलते सांस फूल रही है. मेरे friends मेरे साथ चल रहे हैं, but मेरे को, you know, it's taking me extra effort to match their pace. Which is a very constant feeling as a fat person that I always had, which is why I'm like, no, never that. again.
I have a materialistic goal. I want to become like, I want to train hard right now. I want to eat good so that I can look the exact same when I'm 50. Not like exact
Beautiful.
same,
But I get it.
I
Yeah.
have a materialistic goal in my mind. That's how my mind works. My mind doesn't work like, oh, I want to lead a healthy life. Like, fuck it. I don't care. I just want to
Fair.
look good when I'm old.
Justified. That's okay.
We are attracted to people. You know, we are attracted to people
Aesthetic
who are
goals are not bad, bro.
And
I don't know why people are demonized almost
Demonizing.
for like, oh, like aesthetic goals. It is. I have aesthetic goals, for fuck's sake,
I-
and
yeah.
it is not wrong until and unless you don't hate your
it.
current self into your dream physique. I'm not hating myself into my dream physique. मैं अभी भी खुश हूँ, but it would be nice, yeah, to like.
See, imagine walking on a street and you see a person who is 55-year-old, but
Yeah.
he's fit. She's fit. She's
They
glowing,
stand
she's
out.
healthy.
You can't deny that.
You will obviously look at her or him like,
Can't deny that.
wow,
You can't deny that.
I want to be that person. That's all.
I see like really old women, fully white head, you know,
Yeah.
doing pull-ups. मुझसे pull-up नहीं होता. And I'm like,
I
that-
can't do pull-ups.
I adore. That's my goal for this year to get a pull-up in. But let's see.
I can't.
Body with
My
pull-ups.
arm strength is very weak. It's
Pull-ups are
very
back
weak.
strength, love, lats.
But फिर भी
Grip strength, हाँ, मैं उसके लिए I do 50-pound dumbbells, farmers
my
walk.
my
and
arm
that
strength
kind
is
of
very weak. Like
Yeah.
pull up, push ups.
Yeah. But I really wanna, Anyways, drifting away from that, what I was saying was you can 110% have dream physique and aesthetic goals. You just don't have to hate yourself in that body.
Yeah.
You just don't have to starve yourself. You don't have to like over exercise and just overtrain and kill yourself to that.
And also
Body.
keep yourself around the people who are on the same mentality.
It really
Why
helps.
I am able to go through all this.
Yeah.
Imagine I don't have her, I don't have people around me who are not active, do not have active lifestyle. They just drink, party every other day. They have house parties. They're working, coming home, drinking, partying every other weeks,
Yeah.
having friends over. That's the lifestyle of group of people I'm surrounded
yeah.
with. Obviously, I will try to change it, but how much?
There's only to so much extent that you can do.
I have people around. My father,
Yeah.
bang
Health
on.
freak. Love that.
My father is a health freak.
Love that.
And he will keep asking me, oh, you should eat this, you should not mix this, you should eat that, you should eat that. He always.
Love that.
He keeps sending me stuff also. I'm like, wow. Okay, so
Mama also, yeah. My mama also, she's very that.
my mama the same.
Yeah.
She's a gym freak. My father is a health freak. So I'm like,
Yeah.
if they can be,
Yeah.
what is wrong with me? Like, I'm still young. They are 50 plus.
Yeah.
If they are this fit,
Yeah.
they are fit. Like they're chef's kisses, right?
Touch wood, yeah.
I'm like, I can't be looking like an, you know what I mean?
You're good. Yeah.
Like when I'm more, like I want to like surpass their level. No,
I know.
no, she's
My
fit.
mother, bro, like this woman, I'm like, even Kalbi, I was, like, Mama was talking to a friend of mine over a video call. And she's like, your mother forgot to age. And I'm like, that's such a good compliment, by the way. And she
It is.
looks good. And I'm like,
That's the
woman,
only motivation I see
you take care
sometimes
of
because
yourself.
whenever I show the picture of my mother, everybody's like, oh, is she your mother?
Every time, everybody, young, like older sister at max.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, that's the thing I would want to hear in the future. Like, wow. Cool.
Honestly, up to matlab in this day and age, it is kind of excuses if you're still making some that, oh, I am on the go and I have to, get breakfast and or lunch or
Yeah.
dinner or like, you know, a quick thing on the go. There are literally so many options.
So many
It's
options.
hilarious. So it is, अब तो excuse ही है. मुझे 20 साल पहले का नहीं पता, but अब तो यार
अब तो
literally
it is
कहते-
true.
It is true. Even like there are a lot of viewers from India, I know. So like even in India, not just in Toronto.
They have Blinkit. We don't have Blinkit.
तुम्हारे तो घर
I mean,
पे exactly ऐसे आ जाते, right?
Yeah, you can just order stuff.
We तो still have to like grab and go, but then I mean whatever.
Yeah, but फिर भी.
But yeah,
just
if
plan
you're-
out.
You have to plan ahead is the point. You have to be thoda cautious that if you keep these things ready, so you don't leave yourself room or the choice to
make errors.
bad decisions, or like, I don't want to say bad decisions, but let's say unhealthy choices for your meals, right? So mere ghar pe, if I go, I really like to start my day with a lot of protein and what do you say, fiber.
And how do you do that?
Yeah, I have my hacks. Very simple. मैं सुबह सुबह इतना कुछ नहीं बना रही, मेरा इतना आलसी ब्रेकफास्ट होता है और मेरा रोज का सेम ब्रेकफास्ट है.
My mom is fed up from my everyday same breakfast.
Actually, okay, on this as well, a lot of people are like, we can't eat the same thing over and over again. I तो मेरे को तो
I love it.
I love hyperfixating on like my meals. मैं इतना sorted रहता है ना दिमाग में.
I know,
सोचना
right?
नहीं है रोज कुछ.
So I eat sour bread, egg, peanut butter, berries, and a lot of that's my with coffee. That's
Yeah.
my breakfast every day.
Same. I have, oh my god, yes, I have like 2 breakfasts on, again वो मेरी रोटेशन पे रहते हैं. एक दिन oats, एक दिन yogurt bowl, एक दिन oats, एक दिन yogurt bowl, and I love it, and I make the most delicious oats and yogurt bowls, guys. You have to try them out. But just अपनी yogurt, starting with a Greek yogurt bowl, 19 grams of protein in the base, 1 spoon chia seeds, another 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. एक तो मुझे रट गई है चीज़ें.
I can't do that, like, you know,
I'm so low key.
protein thingy.
Okay, so I don't track my calories, but I definitely do track my protein. So that's a fact. Nevertheless, so I don't track my calories, but I do track my protein because I have to make sure I'm hitting my protein goal for the day. Because I'm strength training, so I'm breaking down my muscle fibers. So I have to make sure it's repaired and I'm not under fueling myself. So my goal is not कि मुझे इतना नहीं खाना, मुझे इतना प्रोटीन खाना है. Like I am focusing on the other end. I'm fueling myself enough.
Okay.
Because when I did not, मेरी जिम में बहुत shit strength थी.
Okay. So okay, I have a point. This is one kind of a person
Yeah.
who through her journey she sorted out उसको इतना प्रोटीन खाना है.
जी.
Second type of person is me. As no matter how much I try, I can never track my protein intake. I can never track
You
how
can.
much I'm taking this. I know, but like, you know, 2 types of person.
I know, but I can, yeah. What I'm saying is I can give you a rough structure. That's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to say. So मुझे भी, I don't track it by the gram.
No, I mean
I
what
sometimes
say.
can. Yeah, I sometimes do. कि पता है कि अगर एक स्कूप प्रोटीन ले रहे उसमें है 25-30 grams, that you know, like a rough track, right? But a lot of people do not, and most individuals in a day and age don't get enough protein and fiber. तो इतना ही
प्रोटीन तो मेरा है ही नहीं, फाइबर बहुत होगा.
फाइबर भी मुझे लगता है अब मेरे को सुनाओगे ना अपना दिन नहीं होगा.
नहीं, फाइबर मेरा काफी. I eat a lot of salad. Fiber I have. Like I eat a lot of fruits.
Okay, that's good. But honestly, you know, fun fact, a bowl of spinach only has 2 grams of fiber.
Because it has more iron.
Yes. No, iron, and also it does, like people think like sif leafy greens
No,
may, it also depends what kind and yada yada yada. But okay, nevertheless, what I was coming down to, protein, yeah. Even if you do not strength train or do excessive
You need to have
rigorous exercise, you need at least like bare minimum a gram of protein per kilo of body weight.
Yeah, that.
So if you're like a 75 kilo individual, you at least need 75 grams for just healthy functioning of the muscles. If you're
Yeah.
strength training, you need 1.5 times that.
Okay.
Can I tell you
Chicken.
another hack for protein is like we can switch if you're eating a wrap, go for a protein tortilla. Like they taste
Yeah,
similar, literally the same as a normal tortilla. It has like 14 grams of protein.
I know.
Even bread, I use a carbonaut bread. It's like a,
Yeah.
and that has like 14 grams and 2 slices of bread. So additional to what you put
Additional
inside, it already has.
It
this much
is.
protein.
So the
It's
thing
easier.
is, it is little expensive than your normal food, but
it's an investment.
you have to make this investment. I had to switch my brain according to this because when I was living alone, I was like, no, I can just save some. Like it's just a food. But then during my journey of like finding this
Yeah.
doesn't work for me, this is making me feel bloated, this and that.
Fair.
And then I love to train abs. Personally, abs and legs are the best for me.
I love how those are the two. मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
Yeah, I love training my abs. Like when I see myself after an
Yeah.
ab day, I have a line forming on the side, right?
That's good.
And I'm like, ooh, That's nice.
that
I love my
for you.
abs and legs. So I'm like, oh.
My training styles were different
good.
is what I'm realizing. So the funny enough, I like those are the last two things that I enjoy training. Legs and abs.
I don't train my upper body a lot because I don't have upper body. I just have arms.
I get
I'm
it.
like,
That's okay.
I'm like,
I
yeah.
love training my back. It's it feels good. I even love chest
Back
days.
is the last thing on my list.
Oh, I'm almost like obsessed. I really want to get a spine tattoo. Is what I'm training
Ah.
for. Is what I'm training for. But let's see.
Hmm. Okay, getting back to the point,
Muscle
guys.
mommy.
The meals that we have, the meals we were discussing is either, okay, so what I do during the day is in the morning, I will take my ginger shot or
Yeah.
turmeric shots, or it's very easy to make. I'll give you a quick recipe. Take 2 lemons, 3-4 oranges, 1 whole bunch of ginger, like very big ginger, turmeric, and black pepper and cinnamon. Blend it all together with the water. Take a muslin cloth and just squeeze the juice.
Yeah.
Put that in a glass jar and keep it in the fridge. I think it's good for 1 week. I've been
that's
doing
good.
this for 6 months and I can feel a difference in my body. You know how your water retention just goes out. You don't feel bloated. You don't feel heavy. You don't feel like आपने बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया है, this and that. So I take that shot every morning before having my coffee. If not, what else works for you is warm water, cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, and a slight desi ghee in your that
Got
mixture.
it. Okay, I know a lot of people love these detox waters and
I love
detox
it.
shots. They've never worked for me. Reason being, because I have
How long have you tried this for?
Jaan sun to, I cannot do empty stomach पे coffee either. So anything that I drink ऐसा what do you say, acidic. So even you said na ACV, that is your apple cider vinegar या lemon हो गया या even ghee coffee बहुत करते हैं लोग, bullet coffee and all that doesn't work with me because anything either too acidic or too greasy or oily if I have first thing in the morning, it f's up my stomach because I have acid reflux issues. I have acid reflux issues. तो मेरे लिए कभी भी इसलिए आज तक मैंने कोई detox water, कोई detox teas I have not done, which is again, as you said, everybody's so
So
individualistic. So what works very well with me is having like something cooling, which is why yogurt bowls or like overnight oats are the best thing, whatever, especially in the summer. Winters, I usually used to do again bread and egg sort of situation. High fiber, high carb, even high protein, like a very filling, especially adding healthy fats first
Healthy
thing in
fats.
the morning. Nuts हो गया, avocado हो गया, whole eggs हो गया. उससे I feel so satiated, like lunch तक भी अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला मैं ठीक हूँ. And उसके साथ I pair my coffee. I never start my day with the coffee.
Okay, so my routine is different.
Yeah.
What works for me is I need to have a ginger shot in the morning, ginger turmeric
Fair.
shot. There is a brand called
Even I
Fiery
think you-
Shots.
Yeah.
So like Saz had a podcast with her.
Oh.
She's one of the most famous brands in Toronto. If they are hearing Fiery Shots, they give a pack of 12, 24
Yeah.
something Fiery Shots. Those are amazing. I kid you not. After taking that, my energy levels are same as coffee.
Oh, I love that.
And it detox your body so good. Like what difference I felt, I have dark circles a lot, and then I was taking that for 21 days 21 bottles at 21 days straight up. Every day morning I'll take that shot, wait for 1 hour, I'll have my breakfast. My skin was so even, my body was so nice, I had so
It's
much
working well
energy,
for you.
it was working good, it has a good ingredient. So anybody who's like listening in Toronto, they want to like have a quick, you don't want to make at home,
Yeah.
just get, they're little expensive.
I know, I do spot them on the grocery aisles. I got मैंने सब ट्राई करा हुआ है, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
ये जो detox वाले
Yeah.
sections सारे shots वाले sections से, but it's just something that has never
Never.
worked with me.
It
so.
always works for me. I don't know. It
But
always
that's good.
works.
The first thing I wake up, I am always like I'll grab a fruit. आधे घंटे बाद gym भागो. Gym से आते I am hungry for it. If
Yeah,
I don't
because
get my
obviously.
breakfast, bro, you don't want to
That
be
makes
around
a
me.
difference, obviously. You went to a gym, you had a session.
But also, low-key, even if I don't, like today I did not have my morning session per se. I still have had a proper breakfast before coming in.
Used to it. That's
I'm
your
so,
cycle.
Yeah, that's my cycle. So, but it's actually a sign of a good metabolism, waking up hungry. So, जो लोग कहते हैं ना मुझे तो 2 बजे तक भूख ही नहीं लगती. Sorry, but that's like, bro.
But that's also like, I have a window. Like, me,
Fair.
my body automatically at 1 or like my stomach starts growling because then I know like I am hungry. I know
get
my
it.
cycle.
But
then I have
like people who are like, I don't have an appetite. I'm like, it's not a good sign. You should like be a little concerned. You should have an appetite.
I don't have an appetite.
She has a very small. मैंने उसको बोला वो एक दो बार में.
Yeah, but I eat good. I eat small batches, but I
You eat
eat good.
good.
But I'm very high on eating fruits. That's the thing. I have a lot of fruits during the day.
Fair.
I love eating berries. I love eating pineapple.
I love
I'm
berries too.
high on fruits. Like I love blueberries, strawberries, this apple. So I'll put it in my salad and eat it.
Yeah.
But I'll eat only this much.
that I've seen.
That is the thing. But I will eat
Probably
good.
because you're tiny, but yeah, as far as it works well with you. I know some people probably don't have an appetite. I get it. I think I have a full grown man's appetite, dude. And
Also
I
because of
couldn't care
training.
less.
You get trainings.
Probably, yeah.
When
it
I
does.
used to lift, but I don't lift now. When I used to lift, my appetite was
But yeah, it does. Oh, metabolic rate scientifically, yeah, it's higher.
higher.
If you're gymming, but yeah,
Yeah, so two kinds of person.
very
And
different
the,
people.
Yeah,
in
and the
that.
point of this discussion is what is working for me.
Yeah.
The whole point is what is working for me does not work for her. What works for
See?
her does not work for me.
Exactly. So, likewise, you have to figure out what works with you and for you and your lifestyle.
Your lifestyle.
And what is again maybe cost effective and those things because we have to take that into account. सबके पास नहीं time होता सुबह breakfast बनाने का, you know, carrying lunch pack करने का. But yes, there are healthier options. You're on the way. Tim's से donut Timbits की जगह you can pick just an ice latte with Splenda. You can get egg bites on this side. Like there are healthier options.
There
you can
are
get
healthier
protein
options.
coffees.
And just make a no-brainer breakfast option, lunch option,
Yeah.
dinner option, and meal prep it for 3-4 days.
Yeah.
You are sorted.
Yeah.
My mother hates meal prep, but
My
the
mama is also
easier it
like,
is,
yeah.
the easier it is. Like you don't have to like think, oh, what should I make today?
जितना कम thought डालना पड़ेगा ना उतना easier it will be to stick to the plan.
Yeah.
So having those 2 to 3 at least meals on rotation कि ये 2-3 breakfast है mini में rotate करते रहता is the most sorted way to go about if you're serious about it.
What are your rotational 3 meals?
Okay, for morning it is usually overnight oats क्योंकि मुझे बहुत sort लगता है रात को ही बना दो. तो मैं तो literally after dinner I prep my breakfast for the next 3 days. It's always that. So overnight oats, उसमें oats में protein powder डाला एक scoop with almond milk or soy milk or something like that and Greek yogurt.
Okay, give me quick 3 meals, no explaining.
Okay, sorry. Overnight oats, chia pudding, or even protein custard.
Okay.
The sweet ones. If you're like somebody who likes savory, eggs and bread in any form. Eggs and bread, sorry, eggs or potatoes. That kind of stuff, sorted. With lunch, if you have to keep it super, super simple, chicken and potatoes, sandwich or a burrito, grab and go stuff. If I'm at home, rice and chicken, pasta. I do pastas a lot. You can do chickpea pasta or lentil pasta,
Yeah.
add some protein. If you're feeling fancy, blend up some cottage cheese, make a sauce out of it. Protein, 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 love it and delicious.
Delicious.
Dinner as well, similar energy honestly. Pasta, rice, chicken, that kind of stuff.
Chalo, okay. So my top 3 meals are breakfast, sourdough bread, eggs, fruit or coffee, or protein pancakes. Or if you are Indian and if you love pranthas like me, there are frozen pranthas like paneer and gobi. They have like 7 or 8 gram per or 11 gram per one prantha. So even if you have 2 pranthas in them, they're like frozen. You just have to like heat it on the pan, right?
Yeah.
So they're like, even if you have 2 pranthas, like 25 grams of protein, you're done.
yeah.
That is just recently found out. So if you love like Indian style food, that's one.
Yeah.
For lunch, I don't usually do lunch because I have brunch, but fruits basically. And for dinners, mostly I have pasta. Same cottage cheese blend. I saw that on TikTok sauce hack. Somebody on TikTok was making cottage cheese pasta. I'm like, wow. Or chicken salad with a lot of fruits and vegetables. And their sauce is Greek yogurt dressing.
yeah, I know.
Love it.
I know.
And what else? Couscous salad. My no-brainer food.
सिर्फ ये खाती है?
No-brainer food. This is on rotation.
This is on rotation.
This is on rotation. This
Love
is my
that
no.
for you.
Or chicken rice if I feel like.
Yeah. Love
But,
that.
yeah.
We also not like okay. मेरे को बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि my meals are not very Indian, but I am very okay with that.
I'm not Indian, like no.
मैं भी बहुत ना honestly I don't crave इतना रोटी सब्जी to be very honest,
है ना?
and which is very fair.
Yeah, I
Even
don't
मैं
have-
पर the funny part is मैं इंडिया में भी ऐसी थी. People are like you know. मेरी मम्मी माँ से पूछ लो मुझे वो रोटी खिलाने के लिए मैं जाती थी कि तमीज से कोई
And
प्रॉपर
I didn't have like I don't make rotis or like this because
fun fact I have never till date 1.5 साल में needed dough आटा गूंद के रोटी नहीं बनाई है मैंने 1.5 साल.
Because I feel like it's a lot of time and
lot of
effort,
work.
and then
you
तब तक-
also इतना सा तो नहीं बनाओगे.
right?
You're not gonna need इतना सा dough. This one person serving banana. I mean, people should do a lot more one serving recipes.
I know.
वो कढ़ाई बन के भर के बना देते खाने वाले एक बंदे.
So just like make out a plan.
Yeah.
कि what are the meals, 5 or 6 meals you enjoy?
Yeah. That works.
Do
with
it for
you
2 weeks and then switch it up.
Yeah.
Then make a plan. 2 weeks, switch it up, and then you'll eventually go into
There's
a
so
habit.
much variation you can do with pasta as alone. Let alone
Yeah.
chicken and rice. 10 तरह के chicken बना सकते हो, 10 तरह के rice बना सकते हो, 10 तरह के veggie stir fry साथ में. You can do like so much. You can play around with fruit so
Yeah.
much. You can. But lately I've realized and I'm big on protein desserts now. Remember I'm telling you that I'm not a dessert person? I have desserts after lunch, after dinner now. Because I've found hacks to make it so much more like high protein and like
And there's like
fulfilling.
why
It's
should
yum.
you eat?
I make great protein puddings, protein custards. You can make freaking ice cream, dude.
Well, yeah, I know.
And it's without the ninja
My
creamy.
my TikToks are filled with like protein
I
ice
love it.
creams. I know.
And I thought कि अच्छा नहीं taste करेगा या नहीं हो. It is yum. What are you talking about?
And
It's
also
so good.
there are so many videos now on the
Yeah.
internet, on YouTube, on TikTok, where you can just simply search meal prep and
Yeah.
they'll basically give you everything starting from the grocery. Or the best hack, if you're struggling to do your meal prep or you're struggling to get into a habit or routine where you can start eating clean, just put a prompt into ChatGPT. Tell your body weight,
yes.
tell your thing, tell your lifestyle, tell him
Yeah.
or tell it every detail.
Yeah.
It will basically give you a rundown,
Honestly,
proper detail.
She's so correct with that. I have actually done that once. And especially like if you put in like minimal grocery कि तुम्हें 4 चीज़ें ही खरीदनी है ना. ChatGPT को बोलो I have literally like XYZ budget and XY I only wanna I'm making a student friendly, guys. Like I wanna only buy X amount of grocery and like with minimal, because there's a lot of wastage. I get
Yeah.
it. When you want to make 5 different dishes, सबके condiments, सबकी सब्जियाँ बहुत चीज़ें different होती है. I get it. So just put in like 4 things that you can multi-purpose and multi-use. You literally have to buy 4 things for grocery for the whole week, and you can just make it work.
Use ChatGPT, use AI to
Use
work for
AI.
you. Like the whole concept is now there is no excuse कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते, हमें आता नहीं है, हमें वो नहीं है. Literally,
There are
like
options, there is
I
technology.
asked her trainer for an exercise this and that, but that was another thing. Then I'm like, I can just put in ChatGPT. I'm like,
can.
this is my body weight, this is this thing I'm struggling, this is my muscle fat, this is whatever that is, and it gave me a proper like
Workout routine.
workout
Love
routine
that.
with what I have to eat. And then I'm like, I don't to like to work when I'm on PMS, and like it modified according to my thing. What is an excuse?
I love
It's
the
so
this. I
easy.
love to be born. I love being born in this day and age.
I know, right?
Like,
It's so easy to
yeah.
be productive and to have a healthy lifestyle in
Yeah.
this age.
For
and if
sure.
I'm still making an excuse, there's something wrong with
It's
you.
an excuse, buddy. Like now it's high time to accept that it is an excuse.
And also, and if we are almost at the end, if you guys love drinking,
yeah,
I love drinking. Like that is something
can
like
make it fit into your routine. You know what?
that is something that I look forward to during the end of like my week, because that's something I vibe with. Like I can't stop drinking, right? So what hack I found is I just stick to tequila, because tequila has the lowest calorie out of all alcohol and it doesn't give me hangover. I just stick to tequila, lemon or soda.
Nice.
Everywhere I go, I just order
Tequila. I am a wine girly through and through.
this.
So
Mine has so much sugar.
I don't care.
I know. Like if you are like no, if
She's
you are like
puri
very
video
very
mein.
sticking to
I know. Yeah, definitely. Then you can honestly.
tequila is the best.
I get it, but also trust me when I'm not like tracking, everything is good in moderation, as I
Yeah.
say. An occasional glass of wine, 2 glasses of
Oh, it's
wine
fine.
are not gonna harm. I literally had 3 last night. I'm good. I'm okay.
fine.
I'll go to the gym. I'll spend that fuel.
Yeah.
But my point being, everything in moderation is good. Kabhi kabhi chalta hai, but yeah, it being a lifestyle, it being like every evening you need a glass. That's where
That's
it
where.
gets like.
But just in case if you love drinking and
Yeah.
like you go out a lot after work,
Yeah.
and but you want to maintain your lifestyle. Let's say you're going out 3 times or 4 times a week after work, which people do to socialize. Let's say,
Yeah.
let's put a scenario.
Yeah.
Tequila is the
Tequila,
safest
soda,
you can
lemon.
safest thing you can
Yeah.
ever order. And yeah, it won't mess up your. It also does not stain your system. The thing with tequila is that.
Honestly, it doesn't sit well with me. So I'm like, I really can't relate with a lot of these things. But that is okay. That's
Yeah.
something that works with you, and that's all right. Like tequila, F's up my system.
Like mostly people I've met,
No.
tequila suits
Tequila
with
and
a lot of
vodka.
people.
Oh no, tequila and vodka. I'm like, क्या पी
Yeah.
लिया मैंने honestly.
Like it doesn't
oh,
sit in my system. It's like I don't even
Great for you.
remember
but
ki there's something in my
love that actually.
system.
Love that. I think wine is that one. Wine is easy. It just gives me like a not even buzz. Like it just surur jo कहते हैं like
Wine for me is
relaxing.
yeah, it gets to my head.
Wow. See, so we are so different. I can't even.
It gets to my head. Tequila is the safest. Like
Yeah.
the thing with if you're building abs, let's say, if your goal is to build abs or to have like a structure in your stomach area, you have to cut down a lot on eating. As in, you have to increase your protein intake a lot, but also, how do I put it?
I get it. So okay, basics मैं बताती हूँ यार. किसी भी abs are also muscle.
Yeah.
किसी भी muscle की definition दिखे उसके लिए you have to be below a certain body fat percentage. Or to drop overall body fat, first of all, you can't target what do you say spot
Specific.
reduce. Spot reduction is not real, so you can't spot reduce. So the key is overall एक calorie deficit में रहना जो तुम्हारी maintenance है. For example, तुम्हारी maintain करने के लिए body को 2000 calories लगती है. तो छोटी है देखो कम लगेंगी.
मेरे को 1800 लगती है guys और 2000 लगती है. Let's say 2000
लगती है. For example, let's take an average 2000 लगती है. So you have to at least be on a 300 to 500 calorie deficit on over an extended period of time on a daily basis to make sure कि you are dropping weight. You're dropping a pound or 2 pounds per week, and then eventually you see that muscle definition. तो body fat percentage to muscle mass ratio ही होता है. चाहे वो abs हो, चाहे वो कोई भी body part. I can have a shit ton of muscle, but if I also have like a thick layer of fat underneath, you'll never get to see it. And likewise, काफी लोग they drop a lot of weight, but because they never build muscle, they look weak or like soft. Do you get it? I want to look like.
I am on calorie deficit since last 6 months.
Oh, nice.
I'm always on calorie deficit. So I eat around. I have like 1800. I eat around 12 to 1300 on weekdays. Weekends I just थोड़ा सा मैं increase कर लेती हूँ because it's weekends.
Yeah.
And then whatever I burn minus whatever that is working great for me.
Good.
It's working
You've
great.
been in good shape through and through, so
No, when we first met, I was little chubby. Like my face was little chubby. Now I can see the definition in my face, in my body, and in my like.
to be very honest,
I can see in myself like the definitions, little definitions. So that's just because I think I haven't dropped any weight. That's the thing. With even the calorie deficit, I haven't
seen changes in terms of
in
like how
the-
your clothes fit, your inches, your face, your
inches.
water retention, bloating. That kind of
I think
stuff.
that's more important than reducing weight. I don't care about my weight.
No, reducing weight, again, it all comes down to having like a healthy BMI that
lifestyle.
you're comfortable
Yeah.
with, you feel active, you're good to function, you're sorted.
Yeah.
There's no-
Tell me, what are your top 3 tips for somebody who's trying to have a healthy, balanced lifestyle?
Drop the all in or nothing mindset. कि या तो करेंगे तो सब ठीक से करेंगे वरना छोड़ना कुछ भी नहीं करते हैं. कब नहीं होता ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता. मैंने बहुत करा. You know, to say the least. Drop the all in or nothing mindset. Make small practical changes in your lifestyle to begin with. Don't go in with it's pretty much following the first point, but like कि मैं कल से बिल्कुल ही वाइट राइस भी नहीं खाऊंगी, कुछ देखूंगी भी नहीं, मैं 20,000 स्टेप्स भी कर लूंगी, मैं 10 दिन जिम जाऊंगी. सो डोंट अगेन ओवर द टॉप एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं. स्टार्ट स्मॉल. When I started by switching one thing at a time. From brioche bread to sourdough. You know, one thing at a time. I didn't go all maniac. Then I realized अच्छा इससे भी better alternative हो सकता है. अच्छा इसका हम इससे भी better कर सकते हैं. And along the way you figure it
Yeah.
out. You're never gonna start from clarity with a clear plan.
Yeah.
Action follows clarity.
True.
Not the other way around.
You're figuring out while you do.
Figuring out while you do it. So करना पहले start कर दो. Even with exercise, when I went into the gym, I felt almost intimidated, bro. Like so many people and like people knowing their shit and me being very clueless and like मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे को judge कर रही हूँ कुछ कर रही हूँ, but I'm like just keep doing it. You will eventually learn and get better at it. Ask for help if you need.
And third?
And third would be
I think you gave third. 3.
no, I gave like 2.
2.
So
Doing all nothing. Start small.
start small and then be honest with yourself. Be honest with yourself in terms of तुम्हें काफ़ी लोग ना don't cheat on your diet on your exercise and that kind of stuff and like 10 reps की जगह तुमने 20 reps की जगह 10 reps कर लिए, तुम अपने आप से झूठ मत बोलो, like it's gonna show. So the fun thing about exercising, nutrition, it shows. Like you're gonna get exactly what you're doing. The results, you're gonna get exactly what you're doing. You cannot cheat on it. You cannot buy it. You cannot outsource it. You have to put in the effort if you want to build muscle. You cannot practically cheat on it, or you cannot outsource it. So you get what you put in the work.
That's true.
Yeah.
What would I say? So my top 3, because my would be very different. My top 3 would, because I'm a very lazy girl hack kind of a person.
Go
Like I
for
need
it.
something which works, but I don't have to put a lot of effort or like work my brain around it. I need those things. So my top 3 tips would be, if you're looking to build a healthy lifestyle from somebody who had a shitty lifestyle, is now improving on the way, is surround yourself with the same kind of people, or
Hobbies
go
matter.
out more and sign up for classes. That really helped me a lot. Go out, sign up for sports classes, swimming classes, go for runs. If you hate gym, it's okay, don't go.
You don't have to.
Start with walking, running, those things, and surround with same kind of people. It will actually make a lot of difference.
Sometimes now I have something sweet and I'm like, it is too sweet. Like my taste
Yeah.
buds have like given up.
And last hack,
Yeah.
very important hack,
ahead.
very important hack. Do not buy any snack, any sweet, anything when you're doing grocery. Do not keep anything at home. It just works. Just trust me, it just works. Because
Fact.
when you have craving, you have nothing around, your craving will go. This is the best hack you can do. Do not keep any snacks, any sweets, any chocolates, any soda. Sodas is fine if you like me, but other than that, like all the good, like bad stuff, do not buy.
The best way to किसी भी चीज़ से addiction या वो जो छोड़नी हो ना, तो उसके और अपने बीच में ना friction बढ़ा दो.
Yeah, like you have to go physically
and
go out.
Get it.
It's
So
like-
you're like इतनी भी बुरी तरह नहीं
बुरी
चाहिए.
नहीं
You
चाहिए.
know, it's the same thing people do with like cigarettes. Like when they want to quit smoking, they would not keep cigarettes on them or like close to them. So it's a additional
Yeah.
step.
My
to get
grocery run now does not include snack aisle. I just skip snack aisle altogether. I'm like not
What do you
going there.
snack on?
Nothing. I do not snack on. That's my thing.
Good.
Like I have stopped snacking. I do not snack.
That's good. You know why? Because I asked because मेरी struggle कभी भी मीठे से नहीं थी. It was
Snacking
always
से?
snacking. It was always munching on
Munching
the in between meals wala munching, the evening snacks. Oof.
I don't
That
know.
was a whole. I've always been that. Even if I do it now, it's very smaller, healthier, proper portions, pre-planned portions that I have for myself for evening snacks. It's never like जो सामने देखा, just चलते फिरते जो तुम अपने snack करते रहते हो.
No, I don't have that habit.
I always did, and that was something जो मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल थी break करना. And I was always the नमकीन भुजिया this sort of a girl.
No.
मैं तो बहुत भाई बेशरम हूँ to accept.
I don't
it.
like biscuits. I don't like all of those
I never
things.
like biscuit. मुझे मीठा नहीं पसंद था ना, तो मुझे ये नमकीन, ये बीकानेर ने जो मेरा काम खराब करा है ना.
Oh, no, I didn't have that habit. So I usually don't keep snacks around.
That's good. I do, but what I do is like I go with roasted beans and that kind
Yeah,
of
that's
stuff,
good.
and salted beans and like toasted corn.
I
and
just
that
have
kind of
meals
stuff.
throughout my day. That's it.
Meals, that's good though. But I now actually really focus on having 3 solid meals that I don't.
Why can't? I'll
compromise
be
on.
like sleeping all day.
मेरी average है Vritti.
Yeah, but I just have my breakfast, whatever I told you,
My
and
metabolism is
dinner.
telling me to have lunch already.
And dinner. That's it. Good night, tata, bye bye, and I'm down. I just have 2
बढ़िया
meals.
बंदी है. तो कॉफी पे ही कूदती रहती है.
Or I have my coffees.
Love that.
Now I'm trying to switch to black coffees.
Really?
Whoever is listening to me,
You don't have to though.
one second, I know, but whoever is listening to me, I'm trying to switch to black coffees with a splash of milk, so that
This bitch. So you hate your life? Because you're one person I know who like you enjoy your
I
coffee.
still am on
With
the
creamers and
line.
that
But the
kind of
thing is,
stuff,
if
yeah.
I'm going to have 3 coffees a day to survive,
Makes
I
sense.
would rather not have
all 3 of
3
them
vanilla
with-
lattes with extra shots. So I'm
Fair,
trying to. I usually have 1 coffee, a huge ass coffee in the morning. But if I'm trying that, I think I will switch to non-sweet or a black coffee with a splash of whatever that is. But I will still put Splenda or something in that.
Yeah, that's fair. You
But yeah, whoever is listening, whoever listened to me saying vanilla latte is love of my life, it still is. It will always will be. But I need to get into shape, so some
That's
sacrifices
okay.
are to
you know
be
what?
made.
The best hack I really want to give out to get into shape that requires no equipment, nothing, zero commitment, no gym fees. Walking.
Hey, I love it.
Why is nobody talking about it?
I love it.
Walking is very resource. मतलब कहीं भी चल सकते हो bro. इसके लिए कुछ resources नहीं चाहिए. You don't even need like a proper outfit or gear. It's not even running for that matter. Walking. How I started my fitness journey was literally started by brisk walks, dude. That's all I used to do. And I used to make sure अगर मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ और वो 15 मिनट बस से और 30 मिनट walk है ना, I will walk. 30 minute walk पता भी नहीं चलती with this good weather and everything.
Okay,
bro.
and if you're working from home and if you
Yeah.
want to get into walking routine, I'll give you one more hack.
Go for it.
When you wake up, you do your routine, you start working, wear the walking clothes and sit and work. Because the thing is, people who work from home, they like put on their home clothes, this and that, and then they get into this like, I don't want to go change, whatever that shit is. So what I do is, I get ready in the morning, like whatever, I get fresh, and then as soon as I get fresh, I'll wear my gym leggings or whatever, cycling shorts, my sweatshirt, and I'll start working.
Love that.
So when I'm done working, I just have to put on my shoes, tie my hair, and be out on the way. I don't have to
that.
take time to get ready just to
Yeah,
walk.
go out.
Because that will dread me. And it is.
It does.
It is like that.
When I was just a content creator, this is something I used to do with. So मेरा क्या scene था भाई? To get yourself in the zone when you're working from home, you're in your pajamas, you're literally sitting on the bed. That's like the most trash lifestyle you could ever have, honestly. So what I started
Calling out.
I'm even myself, dude. Like when I am the worst version of myself when I'm that. Like मुझे ना याद करके लगता है कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, you know, just like sitting in my bed and pretending to work almost. I'm like, bro, you're not doing shit. So this is me calling out myself, if anything. So what I would do is, first of all, take a shower regardless if you're going out
Yeah.
or not. And I used to put on अच्छे कपड़े,
yeah.
as I say. So like jeans पहन ली, jeans भी नहीं तो again gym leggings something, so that अगर मैंने jeans पहनी है, मुझे मैं तमीज़ से कपड़े पहने हैं, I already feel like I have a purpose to the day. Like I've dressed up for the day, so I have almost like a purpose. I better do something, and then it's way easier to just go out and like run a quick errand. It doesn't feel like the switch because the transitions are very tough, and you know it and I know it.
Yeah, if I'm not
very
wearing,
accurate,
it will be probably the day I won't go for a run or a walk if I'm not wearing my active wear. I will
Walking, there was literally this study that okay, walking literally increases people's life expectancy to 50% if you walk 10,000 steps a day.
I love it.
Not even building muscle, not like training like crazy, simply walking, because it improves your cardiovascular health. You're getting in more vitamin D, you're getting in more oxygen, you're breathing fresh air, you're able to touch the grass. So you're literally you're literally having an overall healthy lifestyle if you just go out and take a simple little walk.
Okay. Let's make a petition to go out for a walk. How many steps did I do today? Nothing much. I will do later.
That's okay. But I love walks. मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
Mental health walks.
Mental health walks, as I call them. मैं अपनी सारी calls, mama, friends, I usually catch up on walks only. I love it.
With that,
we come to the end of this episode. I hope you found it helpful.
And yeah, if you guys want part 2, or if you like want a proper breakdown of what goes around in a week with this kind of a lifestyle, we can do that with kind of a work schedule and whatever we are doing. We can do that as well. Let us know.
Yeah, we can actually talk in depth or moreover the switch as a beginner, because definitely we are somebody who's like in the intermediate level, if you get it, like we are already doing it, so it feels a little more natural.
Yeah.
But this इंसान को day one से सब कुछ switch करना है, I think उसके लिए थोड़ा simpler. We can break it down probably in the next episode. Let us know what you think about it.
And with that, we shall see you in the next one with another coffee and another face, same location. We're just going to change our outfit and be back. Bye.
Bro.
That's just the reality of it, guys.
She's called us out. Bye.